Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with videos and give you some video marketing tips. Now if you're new here, I'm Jay, this is Make Money with Video, and I show and upload videos of how to make money with videos using different video creation apps and softwares, and I upload them to different social medias. Now if you've been here before, then this video guys was an update from an app that I use called Create Studio. And inside the app, they give us this like zoo looking video. Let's have a quick look at it, guys. We will, yeah, so jump over here. This is inside of Create Studio. If you come to templates and go to, this is the one. Look, visit our zoo, yeah? Simple video, just showing a few different animals and that. Bit of word on it, bit of text. You can edit all this, guys. You can change the animals, you can upload different colours, different like fonts and all that. And all I did, guys, is I changed the logo, put the website there and that, guys. And this is what I did, guys. I came over to Facebook. I typed in like my local zoos, Blackpool Zoo, and I sent them a message, guys. Yeah. And this all did, yeah. I run my video marketing business and made you this video, so sure. If you want any changes, please let me know. Yeah. And then I sent the video. Then I went back onto Create Studio, guys, and I put this logo on to another called Chester Zoo, and I did the exact same to them, guys. Yeah. And then you can do it to as many different zoos, yeah. You can offer it for free to try and get your foot in the door. You can offer it a low price. You can even offer the full price, guys. And that is what I do. Now, Create Studio is really good. And let me jump back into it, because look at all these different videos are already made. Yeah. So kindergarten opened, yeah. Explainer animated, Christmas elf, YouTube, cafes, beauty salons, yeah, sales videos, cool, mate, just all sorts of different apps, guys. Look, fitness, yeah, science explaining, more YouTube stuff, construction, adventure, yeah. If you don't want them, come over to Instagram and Facebook. You can use all these different like scroll stoppers and videos to make like offer to cafes and building trades, yeah. Promotional, so you can do like if you've got courses and cooking apps and social media pro, yeah, you name it, guys. They've got it. They've got you covered here, guys. Your stories, if you want to advertise on stories, like look, wedding answer, and they're all great. The characters look good. They don't look like those cheap ones you can get. But look, logo intros, YouTube, like other stuff, local businesses, yeah. These are great. Like you just go to wedding, upload this video to different wedding agencies on Facebook, and there you go, guys. Offer businesses this Facebook cover for the Facebook page, yeah. Scroll stoppers are very popular. I did a video, one of my last videos about scroll stoppers. Look, these are the kind of videos when you're scrolling through, they look like Facebook posts. And then look, things like this pop out, grab the attention, don't they, guys? Business like this one here, you could put like a wildlife park or like an adventure or something like that, yeah, guys. Coffee house, yeah, 3D coffee. It makes you look, doesn't it? Like this one here, sports one. Keep watching, guys. Oh no, yeah. So this is what I like about it, guys. It's got so much stuff. But if you don't want to do that, guys, all you need to do is just go to home and then create a new project. Yeah. Let me just quickly do this. And look, here's your video editing app. You don't need to invest in video editing apps. You've got all this, and they're always updating it. You can change the resolution. You can do all sorts, guys. And then if you want to import text to speech as well, you can import your own library. Yeah, import media. But if you want studio stuff, yeah, guys, here you go. So if you just want a character, yeah, you've got all these. Oh, let's go for 3D characters, yeah, or devices. Look, you can do. Oh. They also got this Doodle family, guys. Yeah, but you download them and then they stay on your thing. So let's go back to characters. Go to 3D because I've already uploaded. Yeah, look. So if you want this line on there you go. You can put him as small as you want. Yeah, you can change his action. So if you don't want him just standing there, you can have a close up and scurry. Yeah, let's a minute. Let's see what he does. I've not seen this one before. Oh, he gets good, guys. If you want to add an action, you want him dancing, you can do. If you want to add another action, you've got all these different actions, yeah. Looking on a PC. All right, so let's just have a quick look. You can put a different background in there. Yeah, so he's scurry there. Now he's dancing. He's working on a PC. So you've got all these different options, guys. You've got all these different characters. Now, some of them you might have to upgrade and get like the monthly package, but you get a lot of these free guys. You can do so much. Yeah, if you don't want to use these 3D characters, yeah, you've got the classy ones, you've got the elegant ones, you've got the supreme. Yeah. And I don't know what these devices are. Oh, so you got like different computers and stuff like that. It's a good one. It's on the toilet. The one on the toilet. Yeah. And you just download these guys and you use them on your. Yeah, so you can put like a little video inside that, guys. It's quite cool. I've not seen them before. Go back to home. You've got your video effects. Yeah, your special effects. You've got your shapes. You've got your scroll stoppers. Yeah. It's going a bit faster on it. You've got your emojis, a lot of different devices, social media. So you can offer these services as well, guys. You could go over to Fiverr and say you can add those social buttons on the video for them. Yeah, you've got icons, you've got different backgrounds. Yeah, your characters, your scenes, that. But also, guys, let me just go back to media. You can also, no, wrong one. I think it's this one. Yeah, here. So look, they're integrated with Pexels and Pixabay and audio. So if you want a different background, so let's say, for instance, I don't know, jungle. Yeah, jungle. Hopefully, it'll bring a picture up of a jungle. Yeah. So which one should we want? Like deep in the jungle. Just for the sake of this video, guys, we'll just get this one, yeah, guys. So it says it's important. Yeah, already imported. There you go, guys. You just click on that. Our video's there. Put that on the background. Make it fit to screen. Sometimes it just snaps in place, guys. And don't worry about our lion. We'll find him in a minute, yeah? So what I'm going to do here, guys, you come over to that. I'm just going to bring it underneath the lion, yeah? Oh, no, I didn't do it then. Yeah, bring it underneath the lion. What's going on here, guys? There we go. Oh, we don't want him on the PC. So all you do, get rid of that one. Get rid of the dancing one. We'll have him as scurry. Bring that back over here. Yeah. Let's just play it. And that is how easy it is, guys. Right? You've got all these different things up here, like your camera effects and your icons, your spotlight, shapes, yeah. Camera effect. I'm not sure what you do, but then you click on all these different things, guys, and you can change it over here. So let's just, I'm not sure what the camera does. Exit the camera. You've got lots of different tutorials as well, guys. So if we're, then you just save it and import and publish it, guys. Just exit this. No, I don't want to save it. Look, you got your learn here. So if you want to learn, you've got all these different stuff you can learn, guys. Off that, let's go back to that. So that is it, guys. Now look, I've done a video about the scroll stoppers. I've done a show about the update for it, guys. And if you look on the other videos, look, other how to make money with Create Studio, animation videos, and the update and stuff like that. New update and characters. They're always updating it, guys, every month. So feel free to check it out, guys. If you like this video, let us know. And that is how you make money with video, guys. It's so easy. You just use those templates, you download them, you upload them to Facebook Messenger, and you just message them a little message saying, this is for you guys. So, and that is how you get your foot in the door. And that is my video marketing tips for today, guys. Hope you like this. I'm Jay Roberts, and this is Make Money with Video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.